Okay, I got tagged by Brian over at B Likes to Watch, and he wants to know what I carry for my EDC. So you know what? This may take a while, because starting with my purse, I carry my keys. I carry my triple action pepper spray. Inside here I carry, yes, it's my favorite EDC, my 38. Over here in my pocket, I carry my favorite knife. Love this thing. In here, I carry another 38 in my Uncle Mike's holster. Yeah, back here I carry 45. On my left leg, I carry another 38. Love this ankle holster. And on my right boot, I carry, yes, it's my favorite boot knife. And don't forget the trusty 12 gauge. And if all else fails, I carry this hammer in my back pocket. So there you go, Brian. There's my everyday carry. You wanted to know? Now you know.
And you know what? My EDC, I just carry Cindy.
Part of the deal is I have to tag 3 people as well. So I'm going to tag Reno Guy 77, Hollow Point Survival, and Guns for Fun CA. See you soon.